Stone Mountain. This is the very nice time of the year. It's the holiday season. So we're going to try to get out of here. It's not that crowded today apparently, but as you can see there's a lot of people over here. So let's see if we can be able to move out of the crowd and then get our way through here. Folks are kind of on the phone and in their own little world. So this is where you get the tram, by the way. So if you're looking to get a tram for yourself, you'll be able to get one over here. Let's see, the tram is right there. And the hike is it's a pretty good hike. I remember hiking this area roughly about, I would say 8-9 years ago. It was actually I would say somewhat of a challenge 9 years ago. Coming back, it's been not too bad. It is a good workout, that's for sure. So if you guys are interested to come up here, you're more than welcome. See right here, there's the tram is gonna go down, and actually it's not free. There's a charge for it. By the way, there's parking charges, $20 for parking here at Stone Mountain. So if you're interested to park here, it's about $20. And there's no discounts. There's no military discount, veteran discount, disabled discount, no discount whatsoever. It's a set price. There's also the tram you can take from here. I just don't know the prices or ticket prices here. I went inside to look, but they didn't have a price there. So I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested to take the tram back down. If the hike is pretty tough going up, you're more than welcome to take the tram instead. So going back down, but going down is pretty easy. But folks that may want to take a break or maybe want to take an easier route, they can do so. You can see right there, beautiful lake right there, beautiful scenery right here in Stone Mountain. So let's see, go around here and see what else we can find. A little bit windy out here and cold. You can see the folks have a lot of jackets and whatnot. So just be prepared to come up here and dress appropriately. Keep in mind, last time I did come here was a while ago. It was summertime, but at nighttime it does get much colder up in this altitude in this area. So just make sure if you do come up, you're well dressed and well prepared. So anyways, other than that, highly recommend coming to hike out here. Very beautiful again, very nice scenery. Not too far away from Atlanta, downtown Atlanta and whatnot. So you guys can be able to definitely come over here and make, I don't want to say a day out of it, but it takes about 30-45 minutes to get over here without traffic. Traffic will balance it up to an hour and a half here in Atlanta. Atlanta traffic is no joke, folks. A lot of folks compare it to LA traffic, even though LA traffic's pretty bad. The traffic here is, you can see right here, there's some water from the rain. There was rain that was out here yesterday night, so you can see some puddles and whatnot. Let's go and see downtown Atlanta from over here. Let's see, downtown Atlanta is finally cleared up. Let's go and zoom in right there. There you can see it. And you got downtown Buckhead or whatnot over there. So anyways guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me go and zoom back out here for you all. Hope this is helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I will leave again in the description a link to Stone Mountain so you guys are aware of it. You can check the prices. I remember the parking, I don't think it was $20 back then when I went, but of course with inflation and just the rising of funds or charges or whatever fees, that's beautiful right there with the water. It's gone up. So but yeah, you just park over there I think that parking fee is also the ticket quotations ticket fee. So they don't charge you for a ticket to come up here. They do charge you for parking. So I guess that's the way around it in terms of not providing discounts or waivers, or you know, in terms of tickets, because a lot of places you go to, they do discount things if you're disabled or veteran or whatnot. But here they just charge you for parking, and there's a set fee. Doesn't matter what. But overall, very beautiful. Highly recommend it. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thanks. See you guys soon.